Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening.
Episode 262. How to make $11,000 in 7 days with Systeme. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fashion Marketing Podcast. I'm Maristella and I'm your host here at the Fashion Marketing Podcast, a podcast sponsored by ebooksforfashion.com, the first e-learning platform for who wants to start or grow a fashion business. Today's episode is short but very powerful. Today I want to introduce you the free online course about how to make $11,000 in 7 days in your fashion business with Systeme.io. This is your chance to learn the strategies and techniques that can transform your online fashion venture into a thriving success story. In this course, you'll discover proven methods for skyrocketing your fashion business profits, step-by-step guidance on leverage Systeme.io's powerful tools, real-world success stories and actionable tips, how to create a winning strategy in just 7 days. So don't miss this incredible opportunity to take your fashion business to new heights. You can enroll now for free and turn your dreams into reality. Just check the show notes with the links to access to how to make $11,000 in 7 days with Systeme.io for your fashion business, of course. You can check the links in the show notes and I'm sure you will love this course. It's free, it's totally free, and you will learn a lot. So thank you so much for listening to this very short episode and I talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.